In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let users upload files and photos in Google Forms. If you've ever wanted to collect files or images using Google Forms, you've come to the right place. It's a seamless process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have the skills to integrate file uploads into your forms easily. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you can either create a new form by clicking the large plus sign or access an existing form. For our purpose today, let's create a new form. You'll see a fresh form in front of you with a title section at the top. You can give your form a name here. Let's say it's Image Upload Test. Feel free to include a description below to elaborate on what the form is about or provide any specific instructions to your users. Now, it's time to add some questions to your form. Click on the plus sign to add a new question. In the drop-down menu that appears next to the question, you'll notice several response types are available. Choose the File Upload option from this list. You'll be prompted with a message informing you that file uploads will be saved in your Google Drive and that respondents will need to sign in with a Google account. This is a good time to think about how you want to manage these files, bearing in mind storage limits and privacy. After you've added the File Upload option, you can customize it to fit your needs. Determine what type of files you want to accept, like images or documents, by selecting from the options provided. You can also decide whether to limit the number of files each respondent can upload and set a file size maximum to control storage space usage. Once your question is set up, you may continue to customize your form by adding more questions or sections, utilizing additional functionalities like multiple choice questions or drop-down menus to make your form dynamic and interactive. If you're looking to make certain questions mandatory, don't forget to toggle the required switch to ensure they can't skip any file uploads. Before you wrap up, it's always a good idea to preview your form. Hit the eye icon on the top right to see exactly what your respondents will experience. Double-check everything to make sure the form functions as expected, with a special focus on file uploads. Finally, when you're satisfied, you can share your form. Click on the Send button and choose how you want to distribute it. You can share a link, send it via email, or even embed it onto a website. And there you have it, a complete guide to enabling file uploads in Google Forms. This functionality can be incredibly useful for collecting documents, photos, and other media directly from your form respondents. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this simple guide makes your form collection tasks a whole lot easier.